The Leslie Chance trial picking back up, but this time surveillance video entering the courtroom for the first time, and both Kern County Sheriff's deputies assigned to Todd Chance's homicide case back in 2013 testifying under oath. 23 ABC's Tori Cooper was in court during the surveillance video presentation and witness testimony. She's live right now in central Bakersfield with details on what transpired in the courtroom. Tori?
Jess, earlier today, jury members saw some of the very first puzzle pieces that will be included in Leslie Chance's case. Prosecuting attorneys taking the stand with more photographic exhibits. But this time, they shared key surveillance video from in and around Enos Lane, where officials say the body of Todd Chance was discovered and a black Ford Mustang that belonged to him. This picture taking center stage in the Leslie Chance courtroom today.
This is where the car actually is found.
But this time, prosecuting attorneys calling senior Kern County Sheriff Deputy Kevin Brewer to the stand, who says he was the deputy who responded to the area of Wheatland Avenue and Tiger Flower Drive on the afternoon of August 25th, 2013, when officials say they located victim Todd Chance's black Ford Mustang.
And that's where someone, for some reason, at 3 o'clock, which I'm not sure if news media was involved or not, decided to call and say that someone just abandoned a car there.
Under oath, Detective Brewer says when he arrived, other detectives were already there, and both him and Detective Kimmel instructed other technical deputies to secure the Mustang with red tape so that no one else's trace evidence would contaminate the car. He says once it was secured, moved, and processed, he put on rubber gloves to ensure his own DNA was not contaminating the car and began examining what was inside.
They processed the gun too. They swabbed the gun as well.
Brewer says when he looked through the driver's side window, he could see this gun laying on the driver's side floorboard. But he says inside he also discovered a pink towel, one separate car key to the black Mustang, and a garage door clicker. Prosecuting attorneys also made Brewer look at this aerial view picture to show jurors how far Wheatland Avenue is from a nearby AM/PM. Brewer says the suspected Mustang was also seen driving by on the morning of August 25th, 2013.
AM/PM has footage.
Prosecutors pressing play on the AM/PM surveillance video for jurors, but also video obtained from Denon Street, an area also not far from Wheatland Avenue. Home surveillance showing a person walking swiftly.
Okay, we'll have open.
KCSO Detective Kevin Kimmel, also assigned to Todd Chance's homicide case, called to the witness stand, detailing his time spent with Leslie Chance when he first notified her about her husband Todd's death. In Kimmel's decades-long career, he had delivered dozens of death notifications, but this one struck him as odd, which is why he started recording, something he had never done before during a death notification. Prosecution pressing play on that recording for jurors where people are heard crying in the background, but no one knows who was crying and who was not. Now, the Kern County coroner who was assigned to Todd Chance's homicide case testified yesterday. Now, she told jurors that of the hundreds of death notifications she has shared with families over the course of her time with the Kern County coroner's office, something just didn't sit right when she notified Leslie about her husband Todd. Now, Brewer did finish off his testimony in court today, but there is still a very lengthy list of witnesses that are scheduled to appear in courtroom number 4.